Welcome, here I've got Huawei P Smart 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the general category. At the second place we have the horizontal level option, so this is our leveler. By using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here at the center we can see now this line. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need it, we can tap to the right corner once again and use this button to turn it off. So for now, the leveler in the preview has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.